Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I'm bringing you a video actually on this amazing condition 2005 Honda Element. This vehicle, like for the age, is in pristine shape. Almost brand new, a little bit of faded plastic, but that's to be expected. And what we did to this today was we did a Sony XAV-AX3000 multimedia double-din radio. We did a Rydeen DUO2 backup camera right in the center there. And then we did the 70-7863 amplifier retention harness, because these elements came equipped with an amplifier and a factory sub, and of all places, the center console. And it actually sounds pretty good. Now, I have it on the radio. I don't want to run any issues with copyright on YouTube, so I can't really turn it up and let you listen to it. But basically, the amplifier retention harness allows me to keep the factory amp, allows me to keep the factory sub, gives me subwoofer control through the radio. Let me just put it in reverse. I'll show you the backup camera. That's basically the camera. You've got guidelines. You can adjust those through the Sony screen as well as through the Rydeen camera. You can turn them on or off through the Rydeen. I believe you can turn them on and off in the Sony radio as well. This is the Metra dash kit, the 957863. If you guys click the link in the description of this video, you'll get to this parts list. So if you do have an element you want to change the radio in, you can do so. And yeah, quite clean. I like the look of the dash kit. It worked out really well. Sounded really good. This particular radio from Sony, we don't carry this model, but it's very similar to the AX5000 from Sony. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both of them wired. This is actually a single DIN radio. It's a single DIN chassis, but a double DIN face. So it's a little bit unique. It can go in some different unique applications where you have a single DIN opening and you have the room for the screen. This particular instance, this is double DIN. So the factory radio was able to come out, and this just drops right in using the kit. That pretty much sums up this video. This is the Rydeen DUO2 box. That's pretty much it. If you or someone you know is interested in upgrading your Honda Element for new multimedia with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, bringing it up to today's technology, or adding a backup camera, feel free to give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118, or visit us on the web, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. We would love to assist you with any upgrades that you need on your Honda Element, or any car for that matter. And if you could, hit the like button on this video. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us to make more videos like this in the future. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.